Want to know how to save and read text from a file in Java? So in this video, we will be learning how to save and read text from a file in Java. First, we use FileReader to write a string into a file. Always remember to choose the writer to make sure the data is saved properly. Then we use BufferedReader along with FileReader to read the content back. This is the foundation of file handling, saving user input, storing logs, or reading configuration files. You can extend this to read multiple lines, append new data without overwriting, or even creating a mini database for your projects. File handling in Java is crucial because almost all applications need to store and retrieve data. Learning these basics gives you the power to build utilities, games, and even small progresses that persists user information. It's simple, effective, and super useful for beginners. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.